In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for your business. By the end, you'll have a clean business HQ in Notion with an overview, clear goals, and the core databases you need: clients, projects, tasks, a revenue tracker, and a simple weekly CEO review to keep everything on track. Start by opening your browser and going to notion.com. On the homepage, click Login. You'll see several ways to sign in. Choose Google to move quickly. Select your business Google account and follow the prompts. Once you're in, you'll land in your Notion workspace. Now let's set up a dedicated space for your business. In the sidebar, add a new page and make this your Business HQ. Give it a concise, memorable name. Something like Business HQ or Company Home works well. You can add an icon and a cover image to make it easy to spot later. This page will become your hub, so keep it front and center. Inside your HQ, begin with a company overview section. Add a heading called Company Overview and write a short mission statement, your elevator pitch, and a few key facts, like your core services or target audience. Keep it brief and clear. This section should help anyone understand what the business is about at a glance. If you have important internal links, like brand assets or a standard operating procedures page, note them here for quick access. Next, create a section for company goals. Use a simple list or a small table to make goals concrete and trackable. For each goal, include a short description, an owner, a target metric, a due date, and a status. Think in quarters or months, and keep the language specific so it's easy to measure progress. Clarity here helps your team prioritize and stay aligned. With the foundation in place, move on to clients. Create a database on your HQ page named Clients. Add properties that capture the details you care about, such as company name, point of contact, status, industry, deal size, and last activity date. If you plan to share this workspace, avoid storing personal contact details in shared views. Consider making multiple views, a table for data entry, and a board grouped by status to visualize your pipeline. The key is to keep it simple enough to maintain, but detailed enough to be useful. Then, create a projects database. Each project should include properties like related client, status, priority, start date, due date, and owner. You might add a timeline view for planning and a board view for progress. If you relate projects to clients, you'll be able to see all projects tied to a client at a glance, which is great for account reviews and team handoffs. Next, add a tasks database. Keep tasks small and actionable. Include properties like assignee, due date, priority, status, and related project. A board view grouped by status is great for daily work, while a calendar view helps you spot upcoming deadlines. When tasks are linked to projects, you can roll up totals and see outstanding work from the project page. Now add a revenue tracker database. Include properties for invoice number, client amount, date issued, date paid, and payment status. Use the sum at the bottom of the amount column to see totals for any filtered view, such as month to date or quarter to date. Simple filters go a long way here: paid versus unpaid, or current quarter only, so you can get a quick financial snapshot without leaving Notion. Finally, create a weekly CEO review section. Add a brief template you can reuse each week with prompts like wins, blockers, key metrics, pipeline summary, and top priorities for the next sprint. Drop in small linked views from your clients, projects, tasks, and revenue tracker databases, each filtered to show only what's relevant for the current week. This keeps your review grounded in live data and helps you make decisions fast. That's your Notion Business HQ, a single page that keeps your company overview, goals, clients, projects, tasks, revenue, and weekly leadership review in one place. Keep it tidy, review it regularly, and adjust properties as your business grows. Save your changes, and you're ready to run your business from Notion.